People have been watching this case, and this courtroom was full of people and full of drama. But take a look for yourself and watch Bill Melendez for yourself as he hears this verdict, as did everyone else, a verdict that could put Bill Melendez in prison for 10 years.
Assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder, complainant Floyd Dent.
Guilty.
As to count 3, misconduct in office.
Guilty.
The video was watched by the jury of 8 women and 4 men, 7 blacks and 5 whites this morning during deliberations. The jury had set out a note late this morning. They were deadlocked on a 3rd charge of assault by strangulation. That was ultimately decided not guilty. The prosecutor had said the video was the case. 16 punches in just 10 seconds during the arrest of Floyd Dent in Inkster last January. A white officer and a black man. The judge saying this from the bench.
To come together to reach a decision in this particular matter really says a lot about democracy, but it says more about our community.
It was a hard-fought case. This is not the time for sour grapes. Let's take it to the next step and see what happens.
Floyd Dent spent 3 days in the hospital with broken facial bones. He was not here for the verdict. His attorney, who helped him get $1.4 million and a payout from the city of Inkster before this trial, was here.
I hope everyone was pleased with the outcome today. I know I was, and I know Floyd was.
Now, this judge did not let Bill Melendez go home with his wife and family. She ordered him to jail. He will be sentenced on December the 3rd, and his wife stormed out of court, fraught with emotion. The judge ordered her back in. That was some extra drama. We'll show you how that plays out next hour at 5. And late this afternoon, we did get a statement from prosecutor Kim Worthy, who issued these charges. She says, quote, public confidence in law enforcement is eroded when police officers abuse citizens. The verdict by this jury is important because it shows police brutality cannot and will not be tolerated. We'll have more reaction for you also coming up next hour at 5. Joanne, Stephen?
Jim, before we let you go, you mentioned something. We heard Jim Thomas say something about taking it to the next step. Is he talking about an appeal?
We're going to get into that at 5 o'clock. I can tell you that he says that the judge who presided over jury selection created a judicial error. He's going to discuss that in my story next hour.
All right, we'll be watching at 5 o'clock. Jim Kurtzner, thank you.